so this is our last part, and we'll get into datum and datum symbols. Yeah, so that's your geometric tolerance in standards, and we're going to use the ASME Y14.5M 1994. Symbols, controls, don't worry about it, it's just too bulky and you will catch it, okay, just for you to read. We'll go straight into our tolerances symbols, and your datum feature symbol looks like this. We usually put like that, so make it like a bit bigger so you can be able to see it clearly. Yeah, and this can be any appropriate length, and that's just a height showing with the angle for this little triangle, because it has an angle. See, yeah, that's a 60-degree angle, isosceles triangle. And then here is your 2h, mean from here to here, from here to here height, and then from here to here height of your letter and height of your block. Okay, so that's just a datum feature name right there. Alright, so after we finish with the symbol, we're going to apply the symbol, datum feature symbol. Okay, so we can always put that on a surface or a hole. Yeah, and let me make this a little bit clearer for you so that way you can see it. I'm going to identify on the drawing by the use of your datum feature symbol, this one. Yeah, and we'll put it on our print. So the symbol, you have to attach it to a part feature, and of course there is a 60-degree angle for the base. Sometimes the triangle is filled. This is filled with a white color, and sometimes it's just not filled. Okay, and that symbol is about the height is equal to your letter size, and these are letter size are twice of that. Yeah. And then your leader is going to be extended from the triangle, yeah, to appropriate length from here to there, and you're going to turn it at the square box. Yeah, seems it's starting from here all the way, so top vertex of that triangle all the way to the end base surface of that square here. Yeah, which is your box, a square box. 2 times of it, yeah, about. And your datum letter, yeah, is in that box at the center, and it's just a standard letter height. Twice of that is your square. Since it's a square, the width is also the same as your height. Yeah. You can use all alphabet, yeah, not only ABC. You can use all of it, except don't use I, O, and Q, okay, for the datum feature symbol alphabet. There are examples, see, many different examples. Of course, you can have like a filled or unfilled triangle, your square. Letters can be everything except your I, O, and Q. So you can see like you can go with the different angles, perpendicular, yeah, or with a corner, with a angle, with an angle, or 180, yeah, and this is like straight up. Okay, this one is called the datum target symbol with a circle in your diameter right across the center, yeah, and of course we put the alphabet A1 and A3, so that's your datum target symbol, yeah, going from the. Some people have issue with the pronunciation of the datum. Okay, datum is not data. It's a very different thing. Datum is just a line, yeah, your line or surface or plane. So make sure don't confuse with the data. It's a totally different thing. Data is electron packages, yeah, and we use electron packages to represent so many different things on a digital world, yeah. Datum is in the drawing happening, okay, so your lines and point and your plane, yeah. so be careful. So your target symbol we're going to place in the drawing to identify a point or line or area or something, yeah? And they're placed outside the outline of that part. And you're going to connect that with the radial leader line, which is this guy, yeah, to the target. So here is your target. Solid leaders is your visible near side location dash lines, yeah, indicate the site or location. So let's take a look at this. So we have, yeah, so here is a little cross right there, the target symbol point. And they're just a specific points, yeah, datum features. It is establishing, it's just like establishing your datums on your drawing. So when your datum target points only are used to identify a specific datum, 3 points must be identified, yeah, to establish a primary datum. So I have 1, 2, 3 to establish this datum. So 2 points for a secondary datum and 1 point for a tertiary datum. Okay, so these are just a datum target symbol. I will separate this for you so that way you can read it clearly. Okay, now we're going to bring in our datum feature symbol, yeah, with where your datum target symbols are, and we're going to stick it there. So this is C, that's A surface, and that's your B surface, yeah. That's your datum target symbol lines, yeah. So we have our first primary datum, so it is A1, 2, and 3. And this one is a secondary datum, B1 and B2. And here is your C1, which is your tertiary, yeah, datum with a single datum target. It just don't get confused. It just establishing a datum on a drawing, yeah, and we can write like that. We can also write like this, yeah, that's a point, and this a line. In any way we write, it's okay, yeah. It's just showing you that is the datum target symbol, yeah. This one a point, the same datum target symbol. This one also datum target symbol, okay, line or a point, 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 line, okay. All right, so the last one is line, and we can put it this way, okay. Once again, of course, your datum feature symbols are added to the drawing. It's just for the clarity, yeah. We say this again and again for that. This is reiterating this one, okay. All right, the last one is your tolerance in symbols. So review again. It's in your GGT handbook, which is a little pocket book that I told you to buy in my syllabus. Straight line, your MAT 101 review, yes. Flatness, circularity, cylindricity, angularity, perpendicularity, parallelism, profile of a line, profile of a surface, your circular ran out, total ran out, position, concentricity, and symmetry. Okay? Yep, that's it.